Tisha plays drums in the same band as Marlon. She would like to buy a new drum kit and has saved 2,500. Tisha could invest this money in an account that pays interest compounding monthly. The balance of this investment after n months could be determined using the accounts relation below. Calculate the total interest that would be earned by Tisha's investment in the first 5 months. Okay, so total interest will be earned by Tisha in the first 5 months. So we know that T0 is equal to 2,500. So we've got T1 equals, and I'm going to basically say 2,500, and I'm going to enter, because that's going to go into my memory. And I'm now going to do, to get to my next value, 1.0036 times my previous answer. So when I do that, I get 2,509. T2 is equal, and all I'm doing is just writing down what my calculator says. What is it? First 5 months. That's the start. 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be 2,536.19. And T5 is going to give me 2,545.33. Lovely, thank you very much. Now, that's not answered the question because it wants us to work out the total interest. So because we had 2,500, I'm now going to do minus, what are we going to do? We're going to minus, thank you, 2,500, which is going to give me the value of $45. All right, so therefore I'm going to do T5 minus 2,000, which gives me, don't forget my dollar sign, $45.33. All right, and again, don't forget the question here was quite specific. It said round your answer to the nearest cent.